So today we are going to be talking about best face cream for sunburn on the face and on the body. Face redness, anything that has to do with redness after you get exposed to the sun. I'm going to be giving you the best list of products that work. Number 5 on my list is for people who will not find my option 1 to number 4. So if you know you can't find anything from number 1 to number 4, you are surely going to find number 5, even if you live under the rocks. Now, what people do not know is that the same way you go to the market and buy your body lotion, buy your body oil, buy your soap and everything for your skin, whether brightening, hydrating, moisturizing, or even anti-aging routine, is the same way you need to buy product for after sun relief. For those days you get so much exposed to the sun, when you return back to the house, you are not supposed to use your regular body lotion. That's one mistake a lot of people make while you are going to have sunburn, and then you will now start looking for products to use. No, these things are things you are supposed to have, so that once you go into the sun and come back, you are going to apply your after sun relief cream on your skin to calm down the redness, to calm down the burn if you eventually had a burn, to calm it down. By the time you sleep and wake up, you are going to get instant relief and your skin is going to be good again. So make sure you get something from this list, or at least have number 5 standby at home that you are going to always use as a remedy for sunburn on your face, for face redness. Anytime you get exposed to the sun and you notice redness any part of your body, use any of these products, sleep and wake up, and your skin is going to be relieved. So the first one on my list is the Neutrogena Sun Rescue After Sun Replenishing Lotion. This particular one has aloe vera in it, it has mint extract, and it has vitamin A. Now, when you expose yourself to the sun and you experience skin redness or you eventually have sunburn, what your skin needs at that point is things that are going to cool it down. Skincare ingredients that are cooling, that are healing, that are replenishing. So you are going to see similar ingredients in these products that I'm going to be telling you. Do you understand? Ingredients that are going to help to cool your skin down, calm your skin down, that have healing properties, that have antioxidants that are going to help to heal, speed up healing process in your skin. So this particular one is both cooling, is both healing, and it's also replenishing. It has vitamin E in it, which is a good antioxidant that helps your skin to heal faster. It also moisturizes your skin, and it gives you this triple action effect on your skin. Aloe vera for moisturizing and soothing properties, mint extract for its cooling properties, and vitamin E for its anti-aging healing properties, because when you get exposed to the sun too much, it can also cause you premature aging. That is why the vitamin E here is very, very important to help your skin to repair. Do you understand? And also prevent premature aging on your skin. So how do you use this cream? For those that have not used this cream before, or creams like this before, you use it on the exposed part of your body, that place exactly you are experiencing that sunburn or you're experiencing the redness, that particular place. You're going to use it exactly that place after having a cool shower with a moisturizing soap, not a harsh soap. If you expose yourself to the sun, don't come back and start using kojic acid soap and start using glutathione soap or any harsh soap. No, after exposing yourself to the sun, make sure you are using a moisturizing, hydrating soap, something soothing, something calming to the skin. Then when you are done, keep using your lotion on the places that you are experiencing the redness, okay, and apply this cream there. This is how it works. Now, the second on my list is the Sun Bomb Cool Down Aloe Vera Lotion. This particular one is also dermatologically tested. It is Sunny approved, which means that you can use it if you have sensitive skin. Even the first one, the Neutrogena I talked about, is also dermatologically tested. Do you understand? It is paraben free, sulfate free, alcohol, and it is non-comedogenic, which is you can use it on your face. It is not going to clog your pores. That is for the Neutrogena. So this particular one also is dermatologist and Sunny approved. Now, the Sunburn Cool Down Aloe Vera Gel Lotion has vitamin E again. it has cocoa butter, and it has jojoba seed oil. Now this particular one is built to prevent your skin from peeling. If you know that you had a very strong burn, like your body is very very red and it is quarter to start peeling, do you understand? This is the one that you should get, because this one has more oils in it, and this one is built to prevent your skin from peeling. Like, this is very very effective. If you use it, sleep and wake up, you are going to notice drastic change on your skin. If you're someone that when you get a sunburn, your skin is going to peel afterwards, if you use the sunburn cool down aloe vera gel lotion, your skin is not going to peel, or is likely not to peel. You understand? So this one is very very good. It is super moisturizing, it is super hydrating, it has vitamin E, cocoa butter, jojoba seed oil, and aloe vera gel, obviously, to cool, to give that soothing relief, and also to moisturize that particular spot that you had that burn, with the right type of oils and moisturizers that are going to help to speed up your skin's healing process and make sure that you do not get any peeling. Third one on my list is the banana boat moisturizing after sun lotion. This one also has aloe vera gel in it and vitamin E. I've already explained what this two does, so this one is also good. It's one of the most affordable on the list here. The fourth is the Burt's Bees after sun lotion with hydrating aloe vera and coconut oil. So this one has aloe vera juice in it, it has coconut oil, it has glycerin, it has kaolin, and it has lemon. Now this particular one, I am going to recommend it for people who, you have this redness, or even you had an old sunburn. Okay, this is going to help to clear it. You have old sunburn that is now becoming dark. Okay, it's now becoming dark in color, it's no longer red. You can use this particular one those places, and it's going to help because it has lemon in it that can help to lighten pigment on your skin. Some people, they get sunburn or they get face redness. After some days, that place is going to turn dark, it's going to be pigmented. If that is you, then get the Burt's Bees after sun lotion. It is going to help you. This is also good for immediate after sun repair. It's also good because it has aloe vera juice that is going to help to soothe your skin. It has coconut oil also that is going to help to replenish your skin, moisturize your skin. Okay, and it also has glycerin, which is a very good hydrator to the skin. Now the fifth on my list, which I said is the one that you can use, a remedy you can use just in case you are in a location where you can't find all of these creams that I just mentioned, is aloe vera gel and rose water. So you're going to get aloe vera gel, this type of aloe vera gel, and you're going to get rose water. So once you get exposed to the sun and come back, you're going to have your shower, take your shower as I already said. Then you are going to apply your rose water that place. After applying your rose water, you are going to apply your aloe vera gel. These two combination, they are going to help to give you that soothing relief. Then when you are done, if you have something like olive oil, or you have coconut oil, or you have jojoba seed oil, you are now going to apply that lastly. Do you understand? Have your bath, then come out, apply rose water that place. Let's say it's on your face, apply rose water on your face, then allow that to sit for some time. Then you are going to apply your aloe vera gel on your face, allow it to sit for some time so it dries up into your skin. Then you are lastly going to follow up with either argan oil, jojoba seed oil, olive oil, or cold pressed coconut oil. Okay, these four types of oils, they are going to help to replenish your skin. By the time you sleep and wake up, you are going to see change on your skin. The redness, the sunburn, it would have calmed down. Okay, so you're going to continue this process every night until it is totally gone. So these are the creams that you can get and carve. Okay, don't wait till you get sunburn before you go and start looking for solution. No, buy these things and have them in your house. Even if it's this aloe vera gel, the rose water, and any of the oils that I mentioned, have them. So when you get so much exposed to the sun and come back, you use these things on your skin to prevent sunburn, to prevent peeling on your skin. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, leave a comment, let us know the products you are using for your after sun relief. Have you used any of the ones I mentioned? Let us know in the comment section. Your comments help people to make the right decisions. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you on our next one.